Okay, first one, 38. 38.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay. Yeah, this is the cuckoo basket bag.
Yes.
Cuckoo one. Got this one basket bag. And Sina wallet. Yeah, you got this Sina wallet.
Whoa.
Okay. And okay, finish this one. And next one is 1 to 9. 1 to 9.
Whoa.
Oh,
So many stuff. Sina.
Okay, this is the Sina card holder.
Yeah.
And
Whoa.
melody sharpener with an eraser.
Yes. And sticker.
Okay, this is the tape. Yeah, Hello Kitty. And the charms, 5 charms here.
And
Hello Kitty colorful pen. Okay, finish.
this is
1 to 2. This is cuckoo box. Okay, what's this? Cuckoo. See, this is a cuckoo. Yeah, shopping bag or gift bag.
Whoa.
And 2 cuckoo memo pad. And
Whoa. 2 cuckoo.
okay, also cuckoo memo.
Wow.
And this is a
brush with mirror.
okay, here brush and a mirror.
You can fold it.
Okay, can fold it. Yeah, finish this one. And next one is 66. Hello Kitty box.
Yes.
Hello Kitty box.
Wow.
Wow, what's that?
Cute.
Okay, first one, Hello Kitty coin purse. And
kitchen.
okay, Hello Kitty kitchen.
Toy.
Yeah, this is the kitchen. And okay, Hello Kitty and a twin star. This canvas tote bag.
Whoa. Hello Kitty. Whoa. It cannot.
Okay. Oh, Hello Kitty pencil case. You got this one. Whoa. This really Hello Kitty box. Okay, finish this one. And next one is 174. 174. Oh,
Kitty.
what's that?
Kitty.
Oh, okay.
Another.
See you again.
Yeah.
See you again.
Another.
Sarah for sleep. Okay, and this is I think this one really cute. This is not handbag.
Got 2.
Yeah.
Double.
Okay, double.
Double.
Yeah, double.
Brush.
Cuckoo brush and with a mirror. Okay,